First, with Yard Couture, I'm going to show you how to put together our standard square DIY planner. What you're going to notice here is the bottom portion has a 2-inch foot. This foot is there to help for subsidence and keep it solid on the ground. And then it has the top lip, which is 1 inch. So that's how you'll know how to orientate your panel. Each panel that comes together, there's going to be 2 that have through bolts that are already pre-riveted to the insides. You're also going to notice this on the corresponding side. These marry with the ends that don't have the through bolts, that just have the standard holes drilled out. You're going to have standard holes here, you're going to have standard holes there. The ends also have a 45 where they're going to meet together. You simply place them together with a 9/16 socket wrench. 9/16. Pretty simple application. You just want to kind of line them all up first. Do a hand tighten. Hand tighten. Hand tighten until you get it nice and lined up. You can go ahead and cinch them down a little bit more. And then you just simply take your socket and tighten them down the rest of the way. So that shows you how to put one of the joints together. You're going to do that on all 4 corners, and you got yourself an easy DIY setup. Thank you.